Hello and welcome back to Bountiful Blessings Urban Homestead. In this video, we're going to show you our strawberry patch here that we have started for our children because they love strawberries. Planted this thing from transplants that we got at the Ace Hardware, and they are all ever-bearing strawberry varieties. We have Ever Sweets and Beltrans. As you can see, they have been shooting off so many flowers, and we're starting to get some little berry clusters here. And crawl down the line here. Show you what they all look like. Should have lots of berries that should produce all the way into the fall. And that is the end of our strawberry patch. So when I went and I transplanted these, I put in some Gaia Greens 444 all-purpose and some Gaia Greens Bloom 284. When I transplanted, I put a little bit into the hole when I dug, and then I went ahead and I added in the wood chips as a mulch layer, and I try to water about a ½ inch of water a week and keep the ground nice and moist underneath the mulch. As you can see over here, we got the garden, and we do like to keep the cover crop growing on the garden, which doesn't hurt anything. See, our peppers are starting to grow nicely. Squashes are coming up in between the peppers. This pepper plant's not doing too good, but it is still producing peppers, so I'm gonna leave it. Corn plant tipped over there. Cucumbers, zucchini. Yep, there's the garden. Our tomatoes are starting to produce lots of grape tomatoes, cherry tomatoes down the line. Come over here. Raspberry bush looking good. And then over here we have our blueberry bush. It's putting on some good fruit clusters and some good new growth. Fruit clusters, new growth. So we went ahead on these ones and put in 444 and worm castings, and then the mulch layer on top. 444 worm castings, and we haven't yet put the mulch layer on this one, but we need to. Over here we got some chives and amaranth growing, and today we just harvested